So we'll go to tags next. I like doing the tags in the dollhouse, or actually, I'm sorry, on the actual tour view. But here we can add a tag. So click this tag button and place it wherever you want. You can place it on a counter, and we'll say beautiful countertop. We can change the color of it. We can change how high the stem is. We can add any keywords so that if you search it, it'll show up. And I'll show you this other stuff here in a minute, but we'll hit save. And let me check one thing real quick. We'll add a link to this. So if you wanted to know about this particular type of stove, we can say Frigidaire stove, and we can put a link to it. I don't know if that's an actual link, but we'll put it there. And maybe we want to make this one purple just to differentiate it as a link or as an appliance versus the countertop. And, we can again change the stem length. Appliances, hit save. I'm going to go find me a YouTube video, and I'll show you how to add media for YouTube.
Okay. While you're doing that, if our viewers are particularly interested in tags, matter tags, labels, there are many third-party service providers that do robust implementation. So if you have dozens or hundreds of tags that you need to do, there's third-party solutions that enable you to easily, quickly, and efficiently manage a lot of tags. And then there are also third-party providers that have, let's say, shopping integration. So on that stove, if that, let's say that was in a showroom and you wanted to say buy it, that it could literally take you to a Shopify cart and enable you to purchase it. And if that appliance was not in stock, then it wouldn't show the tag on it. So all kinds of interesting things. To learn more about that, WeGetAroundNetworkForum.com. Go to the tab at the top that says Marketplace and look for things like shopping.